So welcome back guys to another episode of adstorming. So today we are going to break down renewal subscription notice from Better Homes and Gardens magazine. Actually, they were a huge magazine at that time, and they were a massive subscriber base of 7.6 million people. So this is the subscription renewal notice they were sending to the people who have subscribed for their free 6 months trial, and their trial got over. So for for paid subscription service, they are sending this renewal subscription to the people who have already bought this free trial of 6 months. So let's started with our episode. So yeah, so this is the cover of envelope. So as you can see, last chance.
Right.
So this word last chance, this creates a sense of urgency in the mind of clients. So this is the best tactic back then in magazine envelope renewal subscription days. So last chance, these two words are very urgency creating and also appealing to the clients that they will take action by seeing only cover letter. And also, if you notice, don't forget your free gift. So this is also again a best practice to means give a complimentary gifts or bonuses which will complement your product, main product, that is magazine subscription. So in our previous episodes also, I have explained 2-3 times that if you have got a product, then don't market directly product, market bonuses or gifts, free gifts, and on the basis of that you can eventually sell your product to the client. So yeah, here they have also the same strategy. They have mentioned don't forget your free gift. So yeah, so this is technique you can use. And if you come down, then here is a proper offer. You can say this offer as a irresistible offer. Like first, your full year subscription for $6, your better home and garden all-time favorite cookbook for free, and again your 100% money back guarantee. So this is like a complete irresistible offer that no one will even think of rejecting this offer. So this is a very good offer for the 1 year subscription. Also, you are getting free cookbook, and also they are giving money back guarantee. So you have to make your offer like this type, like irresistible. So yeah, if you come down, then again here they have in green letters they have mentioned here hustle free discount. So as you know, nowadays getting discount or money back from the company or owner it's very hard. So they have used particular phrase, key phrase that hustle free discount.
Keyword, right?
Hmm.
Great.
Also, they have mentioned here the pricing. Cover pricing is $47.88 minus your discount of this huge discount that's $41.67. And they were giving that much of discount at that time because their what you can say main revenue was source of income was advertisers.
Right.
They were used to advertise to their subscriber base that was at that time 7.6 million. So that was their main revenue stream. So they are giving that's why they are giving this product for just $6. So yeah, that's the best technique at that time.
Okay, and why they are giving, why they are showing this? Because 99% of the people don't know what is their revenue model, so they are showing it. It's their advantage. We are giving you that much of discount. Some people are like, wow, $41, $42 of discount. Some people getting happy. So that's a very good thing. So if it's in your favor, just show people. Showing people whatever you have got is a very, very, very good marketing habit. In the last episode we were talking about Facebook ads. They were showing how to use their product. In some of the unique some of the products, they have USP, so they practice to show what is their USP. Like the checkout pages we were talking about, they were showing about what is how to process. They were showing what will happen next. So show people whatever you got. This is the next step, this is the next level you are going to. And people love whatever you are showing them. People like to know more about your company, about your work, and how you are giving more to them. So that's why show whatever you got, and that's how you will stand out. Standing out is just showing more. So let's get back to our page. Yes, Nilesh was talking about this irresistible offer. Why this is irresistible offer? Because they are giving you, first is that uh, a free gift. A free gift is included with this $6. Second thing is a guarantee, a foolproof guarantee that you're going to get your money. And third is a discount. So all the elements are in this offer, and that's why this is an irresistible offer. And if you practice, to put all the three things, all you have to do is just think what I can include in the irresistible offer. So these are the three things I have, given you the format. And I will also, mention in the description that what we are talking, some bullet points, so key points, so you will understand what you have to mention in your copy as well. So I'll do this in this episode. Okay, let's go ahead. And next point is double my savings. So whatever they are doing here, why they are doing this, this is a little upsell. So why they are saying selling this upsell? Because it's very easy to sell something, because you already have mentioned that you're getting so much. And this upsell is, I think 50 or 60% of the people would have gone for this, because send me 2 years of 24 issues, 12 plus 12, 24 issues for just $12, and include my free cookbook as well. So this upsell is exactly below the offer, exactly below the discount. So the placement, also focus on the placement as well. Also focus on the Nilesh was talking about hassle-free discount and guarantees. When named correctly, they increase their value. Hassle-free discount or XYZ discount, XYZ guarantee. So naming is also more important. Okay. Next thing is, okay, they have shown number of issues 12, and this is done. Next is yeah. So PS, you won't see this offer again, so hurry. Renew today. Renew today is a click to call to action link, and this is a form of little urgency. So you won't see this offer again. Giving urgency, placing urgency at the end of after they show discount, after they show whatever you got, they have immediately placed the urgency. So urgency at this point, urgency at this point. So focus where they have placed the urgency. Next is, okay, let me zoom this part. Okay.
Okay, so I would like to add one point here, Tanmay. If you are creating selling product, then you must add urgency, because if you give time to your customer or consumer to think, after some time they will forget, and humans lazy and they don't take actions without some deadline. So you must include that urgency to trigger people to take that action right now, because they have hundreds of things running in their mind, so they may forget the thing. So you have to add urgency. So that's the point I would like to add here.
Okay, superb. So next point is plus sales / use tax if applicable. Cover price is $4. So this is they are showing that what it costs. So showing again they are showing that it costs you $4, but whatever we are offering is 12 months of 12 issues for $6. So show whatever you have got. So like in my case, if I was running a company of newsletter, or let's say newspaper, so I will show that you'll get this for $60 per month instead of $600. So you have to show people what you are getting in return of whatever you will pay if you go for other options, or other options. So that they have mentioned here. Next is 100. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, so 100% satisfaction guarantee. So here, magazines conveniently delivered to your door. So what they are doing door-to-door service at that time. So this is their again PowerPoint, and they're showing them that we are going to give you at magazines at your door. You don't need to go outside your home. So please make certain the mailing address indicated on the front of this form is correct. Better Homes and Gardens, their company name, currently published 12 times annually. So they're showing the results 12 times annually. We publish 12 times annually per month, and subject to change without notice. Double issues may be published, which counts as 2 issues. Okay, so they have mentioned all the details, and 100% money back policy. So what they have written here, now notice, we guarantee you may right to cancel your subscription at any time. First thing is, anytime. You can cancel it anytime. First month, 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, for any reason, whatever reasons you don't like it, or whatever your reason can be. Third is, and that you will receive all your money back, not 50%, 70%, 100% money back, and no matter how many issues you have received. 6 issues, even on the, even if you can order your 100% money back guarantee if you have received all the 12 of the issues. So that's how they have placed everything in a single sentence. This is how beautifully they have written the copy. Okay, so that's it for today's episode. And yeah, it's a long and little in-depth episode. And yeah, the 18th episode is gonna be with our guest. So see you in the next episode. It's gonna be a value bomb.